Guys, we just woke up. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Hi. Johnny's knocked out.
You're gonna be a
Huh?
You're gonna stay OD.
That's what I want to say. Alright, obviously it's the next day, you guys. Zoe and I are going down to the Dunkin Donuts to see how the line looks. If it's super long, the one in here, we'll just stop on the way home. We're just getting something, some coffee and some hot cocoa. Huh?
When we go, can we get the Chick-fil-A across the street?
I don't know, we'll see. We're just getting some coffee, and then we gotta go pack up because we gotta be out of here at 11. I think it's already 9:30. Oh my God. That's the line for Dunkin Donuts? That's not the Dunkin Donuts line.
Oh, it's a story time line.
Yeah. I wonder if TT Kids are playing story time. Oh, Dunkin Donuts over here. We can stop in a gift shop too and grab you a little something, Zoe. Okay, the Dunkin Donuts line is not bad. We're gonna wait and get something. I wouldn't recommend the Dunkin Donuts, you guys. We've been in line for about over 30 minutes. I ordered our stuff. We're still waiting. All I got was hot chocolate, coffee, and a drink for Zoe, but I wouldn't recommend it. I honestly hate I waited this long. I wish I would have just gotten in the car and drove across the street to Dunkin Donuts. That would have been much better, but it is what it is now, I guess. But I wouldn't recommend. No, it's fine. We're paying our toll. Are we? Is this technically Michigan? Not yet. Zoe's upset because she left her bracelet in the room, but I told her to check the room a bunch of times. So, you know, if they find it, they find it. If they don't, they don't.
Triplets all together.
I couldn't handle triplets. You just miss your cousins? Yeah. Well, they leaving soon too. Oh, my car, miss. You got the key, babe? Yeah. Lock the door.
Don't find the water, go.
Mommy?
Huh?
When it's summertime, summer break, can you go to the beach with Little Dre and Big Dre?
Yes. Coming to Crackle Barrel just remind me of my granny. We're just waiting for our food, you guys, and I was telling the kids about Martin Luther King because I just looked up and there's a picture. So hey boo.
Are you putting him on me or her?
You.
Why?
Because you're so cute. She was really upset about her bracelet. I told her, stop crying. It's okay. If I have to buy her another one, I will. She was really upset. Even though I told her to check the room, her area, like 3 times.
I really love that bracelet.
Okay, then you should check your area. You were responsible enough. Or you should be responsible enough.
Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days
Alright, the food's here. You guys. What you get? What is that, babe? Steak, country fried steak. I have catfish. I don't know why they gave me this gravy and biscuits. I'm not gonna eat that, but I have catfish, casserole, I'm sorry, hash brown casserole and scrambled eggs. Zoe has country fried steak. She's gigging on something. And Journey has a little breakfast sandwich. You want some jelly or something for that sandwich?
Where's my fork?
Zoe didn't like her food, so she ordered a side of mac and cheese. I didn't think she would like that country fried steak. I think it's kind of like a cube steak type of thing without the gravy. It's not nasty, it's just not something you're used to eating, you know.
Who's gonna eat that? Nobody.
Maybe just a better kind of bitter, 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 bitter,
We made it, you guys. We're pulling up back home. We had 3 packages that should have came yesterday while we were gone. So hopefully nobody stole them. I should have the camera I brought for the trip. That's like an underwater camera.
Not your house.
I know. So I should have the camera I brought. I brought the kids some Black History Month flashcards. And then this man brought a blender that he probably won't ever use. That probably costs a crazy amount of money. So what happened? Why the police on the street? Police on the street.
Yeah.
All right, all of our packages are here. I see you. All our packages are there. So cool. What? It's changed to my position for me to get out.